Welcome to Aplexia HMS. This is a complete setup for hospital management system in which when a patient comes to the hospital, he gets all the information from one desk only. For example, the patient will be registered, then his appointment will be done, then the doctor will check up, then medicine will be available from the pharmacy. Then after that, if there is any kind of test, so he can go for the pathology lab for the test. Pathology and radiology, anything, go for that. So now we go for the demo one by one department. First of all, we go to the front office. So we have to put the front office user ID and password. And this is the dashboard of the front office. Here are lots of things like appointment, doctor list is there, diagnosis, how many types of diagnosis in the pathology, so all categories are here, and the test is here. Invoices, how to make the invoice for the OPD patient and the IPD patient. So documents, if there is any test report, so the documents of the patient listed here. The notice board, any kind of notice from the hospital, so you can see from in this section. The hospital charges, all types of charges shown here, like charges category, charges, doctor OPD charges, everything is listed here. The IPD OPD bill we can make from this section. And live meetings, if some patients want to meeting with the doctor, then you can make this section. The patient registration listed here, the patient, the case handles, the patient admission, these things are here. So now we go start from the start. So when the patient will visited in the hospital, then the reception area, they will register the patients. So go in this section and select the new patient. He will enter the first name, last name, the email ID, date of birth, mobile number, male, female, gender, blood group, and he has to make the passwords of the patient and has to put the images of the patient, the address, the Aadhaar card number, the Mediclaim if they have any Mediclaim, so you can put from here and the save. After saving, you will check the patient details from here, like this Nitish Kumar is the patient and all details are here. After that, he has to make the case ID. So the patient ID will be generated from this section. The new case, and select the patient and select the doctor name and the case date. After that, the mobile number, fees, consultancy fees of the doctor, and description. If suppose he want to write the fever and cold, anything you can write here. So the case will be generated. After that, he has to make the appointments with the doctor. So go in this section, in the new appointment, you can select the patient and the doctor department is here, and the doctor listed here, the Nitish Kumar, and the date. The time slots are given here, so you can choose the time slot and put the description also, and then save. So after save, the appointment will be done. This is the total appointment. After this, you have to make the invoice, the consultancy fees invoice. To go with the OPD section and to make the invoice. So select the patient, Nitish Kumar. The case ID will be comes automatically. The OPD number he has to put here. The OPD number is like the token number, the patient number, daily OPD area. Like it's the 23, 24, 25, these kind of things. And has to select the time, date, and after that the doctor, and the consultancy fees will come automatically. Choose the payment mode, cash or check, and description here and then save. So after saving, you can check the bill. This is the bill. You can print the bill and give it to the patient. So this is the description, consultancy fees, rate, and total amount is written here. After that, the patient will visit to the doctor area, and in this section, the reception area, they can able to see the all reports like the bill, the main invoices from the diagnosis invoice, diagnosis report. He can print from in this section. Here the diagnosis report is here, like the Manish Mishra diagnosis report. So you can able to print from in this section only. This is the report, test report. If suppose the doctor will given to the any kind of test, then he can print from in reception area also. After that, the diagnosis category, he can make the diagnosis category, which type of diagnosis there is, and after that the document, he can upload the document of the patient, like this document will be uploaded. And this is the document of the patient. In the new document section, he can print here, put here the document attachment of the any lab report or anything, and select the patient name and attachment, and he can put the note also. After that, the hospital charges, he can check the hospital charges, the test charges from this section, how many charges of the test or how many charges of the doctor charges is here, you can check. After that, so this is all about the front office area, and he can manage everything from the reception desk only. Thank you, and we are going to give the doctor dashboard in next video. Thank you.